I'm going to show you how to change the throttle position sensor. And make sure you watch to the end so that you can see how you can get deep discounted parts prices and possibly even get replacements for free. Hey, I'm Tony Collum, and today I want to show you how to change the throttle position sensor. I'm working with a 2004 Dodge Durango 4.7 liter. Now, your application may vary, but this is very close to what you may see on any vehicle. If this is your first time here, make sure you click the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications so that you can get the most out of my channel. So let's get started. So what are the indications of a bad throttle body or throttle body issues? Hesitation, lack of acceleration, gear changing issues, and possibly erratic throttle response. My situation, what happened to me was I was stopped at a stoplight going somewhere on a Sunday, and the vehicle wouldn't respond when I pressed on the throttle. I was able to limp it home very slowly, barely making it through the gears, and was able to determine that my throttle body was bad. I'm going to link a website in the description, and it's going to tell you how to test the throttle position sensor electronically so that you can make sure you're actually replacing something that needs to be replaced and not just shotgun troubleshooting. So make sure you check that out in the description below. In a previous video, I show you how to take the top plastic pieces off the motor so that you can get to the throttle body. You can check that video out here. The first thing we're going to do is take off the air cleaner box clips here on the sides and make sure that it'll lift out of the way. Then we take off the two 10mm bolts holding down the box at the manifold. Once you get all that taken off, everything should lift out and off of the throttle body. You'll have to disconnect the metal and rubber tube here, and on the very back there's a sensor here that you'll need to unclip it so that you can get everything out of your way. As we talked about in the other video, here is your idle air control valve, and here is your throttle position sensor. First thing we're going to need to do is remove the throttle position sensor plug, and then we remove the two retaining bolts that are holding the throttle position sensor in. To remove the throttle position sensor bolts, you're going to need a T25 Torx bit, which is pretty common for any of your Dodge products. The throttle position sensor just slides off of the retaining housing area where there's a little O-ring left inside of there, and the new one goes right back on the same way. To put the throttle position sensor back on, it's just the reverse of what we've already done. Position the throttle position sensor back in its location, lining up the holes, and then starting your bolts. Reinstall the clip. Putting it back together is pretty simple. Connect the connector back to the back of the airbox. Position it in place on the throttle body. Get the airbox clips back lined up and seat the plastic top on top of the fan shroud. Connect your metal pipe to your rubber hose and then close your air filter box with the clips. Then reinstall the 10mm bolts that hold down the air box on top of the manifold. So how do I get my parts so cheap? I order my parts online through Advanced Auto Parts. I use my Speed Perks coupons, and I use a coupon that they offer or that you can find on Retail Me Not that gives you 20, 30, 40% off, making sure the part's in stock that day so I can pick it up in the store 30 minutes later after I place my order. That's how I do it. I mentioned at the first of the video how you could possibly get your parts replaced for free. When you order your part on Advanced Auto Parts website, you look when you look the part up, underneath the top left corner you'll see limited lifetime guarantee. It's highlighted in blue. Click that link and there you'll see the actual verbiage of the limited lifetime guarantee, and I will also link in the description below the general warranty for the parts that you can buy through Advanced Auto Parts. Now, make sure you read up on this and follow all the rules and regulations, and you could possibly replace this part for the lifetime of the part for free. If you found this content useful, make sure you click the like button, click the round subscribe icon so that you can get the most out of this channel. Also, you can watch my other videos on the 2004 Dodge Durango. And as always, thanks for watching.